Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start chapter 4, that is fiber to fabric. What is fabric? Fabric means the cloth we wear, the material of the cloth we wear is known as fabric. Right now I am wearing a salwar which is made up of cotton. So cotton is a fabric. So this bed sheet is made up of cotton fabric. The fabric of this bed sheet is cotton. Okay, so fabric. The chapter name is fiber to fabric. So what is fiber? Now if I pull a part of this cotton bed sheet from a corner, then a thread like thing will come out. So this thread will be known as yarn, and this yarn is made up of fiber. So from fiber, first if we assemble fibers, then we will get yarn, a thread or thread, and if we stitch those yarns together, we will get fabric. Okay, so this is the tagline of our chapter, from fibers to fabric. Now, what is the importance of clothes? The people of India lives in different parts of India, and they wear different types of clothes. Like we are Bengalis, though we wear different type of clothes, and we have assimilated different cultures also. We wear salwar suits, we wear saris, we wear skirts, and many others. In case of boys, dhuti Punjabi, traditional Bengali dress. Though a few people wear dhuti Punjabi nowadays, and pajama Punjabi, okay, shirt, pant. So these are the different types of clothes we wear in our daily life. So I remember in last week or the previous week, you all participated in an exhibition like in SST class. Debahuti ma'am arranged this, and you wear different types of dresses, traditional dresses of different parts of India. You remember? So these all clothes are made of different types of fabrics. So clothes are a basic need. There are three basic needs we all know: food to eat, a place to live, and clothes to wear. So clothes are one of the most prime basic needs of humans. So we cover our body. It protects our body from external hazards like bites of insects. It keeps us warm during winter season. It protects our body from heat in the summer season. Right now, in rainy season, we wear raincoats or umbrellas. These are also made up of a fabric called nylon. So this is the needs or importance of clothes. Clothes cover our body and protect our body from heat, cold, dust, etc. So where does it come from? What is the origin or history of clothing material? You all know that early men didn't wear clothes. They lived in caves, and they used bark of trees, large leaves or animal skins to cover their body. Why? Because those barks of trees or large leaves or animal skins protect their body from winter or from summer. So this is how the necessity of clothing came. With the passage of time, we learn to weave twigs and grasses to make basket, mats and fabrics. So look at your textbook at page number 43. What is written here? Around 2500 BC, that is before Christ, cotton was grown near river Ganga. In ancient Egypt, do you know where the Egypt is? I think you all know about the country of pyramids, Misr. So Egypt is in Misr. In ancient Egypt, cotton and flax were grown near river Nile, which were used to make clothes. So ancient people didn't know the art of stitching, so they draped big piece of cloth around themselves to hide their body, to cover or protect their body. When the sewing needle was invented, people started stitching fabrics to make clothes. Today we wear different types of stitched clothes like salwar suit, pant, shirt, etc. So this is how the nowadays clothing or attires came from the cave dwelling man, prehistoric time, to nowadays, now modern days. First of time, in prehistoric age, they used to wear skin of animals, barks of trees to protect their body from extreme cold or from extreme burn of sun during summer. But as the time passes, they learn to weave twigs to make mats, baskets and different types of things, and this is how the concept of sewing came. And after that, they when they started cultivating cotton or flax or some other materials from where fibers may be gained, then they started just bowing this, and after that the stitching concept came when sewing needle was invented. Then people started stitching fabrics to make clothes.